chemistry. We are here recording practice problem number 10 for module 11. Please read it, Martin.
What is the boiling point of a solution made by mixing 100.0 ZnCl2 with 750.0 grams of water?
750.0, you said, grams of water?
Yes.
And we need to know the boiling point of this solution.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is our boiling
So we just need to find
point
molality.
elevation equation? It's I times K subscript B times molality.
Yeah.
Okay, I is the number of ions that are formed. In the freezing point depression equation, I is a negative number, but here it's a positive number. Okay. Yeah. So ZnCl is it ionic or covalent?
Ionic.
It's just a minute, please. We're not there yet. It's an ionic compound. So how many? Where is zinc?
3. Zinc is in 2B.
So it's going to be Zn2, and then we have the 2 Cl's, right?
Yeah.
Well, where's Cl actually?
Cl is in 7A.
Right. So it's going to have a single negative, right? So how many ions is that going to be?
1, 3.
This
4.
is the molecule. It's an ionic compound. When it dissolves in water, it breaks into its ions. How many ions are there?
3.
Why do you keep
4.
saying it like it's a question?
3. Okay.
I just wrote them here. How many are there?
So
look, okay. You can't always count the number of atoms that are in the ionic compound to know how many ions there are.
In this case,
because we frequently have polyatomic ions that we had to learn on page, was it 288? And make sure you learn those. It's very important. None of these is a polyatomic ion. So they're just going to break down into single atomic ions, right? So how many are there?
3.
3. That's easy to see, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so you kept saying it like it was a question, and you weren't sure the answer.
Zinc is 65.4.
Just a moment. Okay, so we need to calculate the delta T. So we know the 3 now. What's the Kb? It's given to us in the question.
0.512 degrees Celsius per
molality.
Yeah, that's the one.
Now we need to calculate the molality. Okay, so molality is number of moles solute per number of kilograms solvent.
Yeah.
This is easy to convert to kilograms. The solvent is water here. 1, 2, 3. We have 0.7500 kilograms. And we'll figure out the number of moles in a moment.
It's 131.4 moles to grams. 1 mole to...
Okay, so zinc, what's the weight again, please?
65.4.
And the Cl?
35.5.
$136.4, that's what you got?
No, 131.4. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's
6. 136.4. Okay. So, and that's grams per mole. So if we have 100 grams, 100.0 grams times 1 mole per 136.4 grams. Okay, we want to be precise to 4. Excuse me. We don't want to be precise to 4. We want to have 4 significant digits, is what she's trying to say.
Moles. Now let's do molality.
Right. So we're going to divide. Look. I'm sorry. You didn't tell me how many moles. 100.0 grams.
It's 0.1364, right?
No, it's not. You're doing your math wrong.
Oh, it's backwards.
If it was 1.364 divided by 100, you would be right, but that's not right.
Yes, I see.
It's closer to 0.6.
Yes, I see. 0.7331334.
Sorry, 0.73313.
137.829.
Okay, stop. We have 4 significant digits in each of our numbers, so we want 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 0.7331 moles of zinc. So the molality will be
Not
0.
zinc.
Zinc chloride.
Yeah.
0.7331. So it's going to be close to 1, as you can see, the molality. Okay, but you'll do the math. Calculator.
.977466666.
Okay, so we're going to be 4 significant figures, so 0.9775, I believe. Yes. What you said. Just checking your calculator. Okay, so now we can use, and this is the molality. So we're going to finish our delta T equation times 0.9775 molality. Molality will cancel. So we'll be left with some number 3 times 0.512 times 0.9775.
It's 1.50144. So that's 2.
We want 3 significant digits. So we're going to say 1. What is it? 50?
144.
Okay, so 1.50 degrees Celsius.
And that's
So this
the
is the
answer, not just the
Wait a minute.
delta T.
No, it's not. So this is the boiling point elevation. So the
Oh, yeah,
delta
that's
T is 1.5 degrees Celsius. So what is the new boiling point of this solution?
101.5 degrees.
Right, we're going to add it to 100.0. We're precise to tenths. So we end up with 101.5 degrees Celsius. And that is our answer. And that's it for Module 11. Good luck on the test.